it's amazing the pace of change with AI over the last couple of years in particular. And if AI isn't a central investment theme for your business and finance team, then you're likely, behind the curve. At Bill, we've actually moved pretty quickly to adopt AI tools for customer support, sales processes within our go-to-market team, risk management related to, better managing credit exposure, all these sorts of capabilities. As it relates to the finance function specifically, we're investing in tools to help with process automation. So think large scale reconciliation tasks involving billions of dollars of funds and millions of transactions and things like that. SOX documentation and walkthroughs and other process automation. I think we're a little bit earlier in the journey, but excited about what we've learned so far about the significant opportunity for AI to help us with the forward-looking parts of finance. So the modeling, the predictive capabilities, and analytics. Those are things that are kind of up next for us. And frankly, AI is going to change the entire role of the CFO and finance to be, I think, much more impactful and delivering even better value for the business. I think at great companies, there's always more ideas than there are people and sometimes even capital to pursue. So at Bill, we have a ton of innovation ideas that include AI and shifting investments there. And it's even true in the market that we serve. There's been a bunch of data recently that says, small businesses believe AI is going to impact their business, and that will increase significantly over the next couple of years. I'd say that the role of finance is to always be the linkage between the strategy and priorities of the company and resource and capital allocation. Maybe not the decider; it depends on the part of the business. But in the case of Bill, AI priorities are now woven throughout the entire fabric of the company across every discipline, every department. Yes, there's some opportunities to invest more aggressively, and sometimes that involves trade-offs. But making sure that there's a solid understanding on, what you get for the investment and what the paybacks are. And there could be instances where you're investing across multiple time horizons. So maybe there's a set of initiatives that will impact the current year that you're operating in, whether it's financial or customer results or otherwise. And there's some other ideas that maybe take 2 or 3 years to mature. So getting that right horizon, investing, and if it's out there on the horizon a little bit further, then maybe there are some prove it milestones that can be helpful. But at the end of the day, it's that partnership and dialogue with either functional or business leaders that there is probably an objectively right answer on the allocation of capital, in particular as it relates to the rate or the pace of accelerating investments in AI.